English language, or for that matter, any other language, perhaps fails to give us the definition or give us the difference between what al khawf is and what al khashiyah is. Al khashiyah, in a sense, is that you develop the consciousness of Allah Azza wa Jal, in the sense that you are aware of what's, of the rulings of Allah Azza wa Jal. You are aware of the mercy of Allah Azza wa Jal. You are aware of the love of Allah Azza wa Jal. And also you are aware of who Allah Azza wa Jal is, the status of Allah Azza wa Jal. Similarly, your response is generated accordingly. Your fear or your awareness and your responsiveness are directly proportional to one another. That's what khashiyah actually is. And khawf is without any knowledge. The ulama say that the difference between khawf and khashiyah is that al khawfu huwa bidun al ilm. It doesn't have to have knowledge. You just fear something. The fear is in the dark. You don't know what you fear. But when you say khashiyah, you develop awareness of Allah Azza wa Jal, Allah Azza wa Jal's names, His attributes, the consequences of wrongdoings, the reward of righteous deeds. So that's how you develop, and that's how you respond. That's why our prayers can also have, can also be impacted based on how well we know Allah Azza wa Jal. Therefore, going back to the point that I made, that the knowledge of Allah Azza wa Jal, the knowledge of the names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal is the paramount knowledge, is the most important knowledge, which is why we must try and understand the names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal. For instance,